In this video, I will show you how to convert PDF to Excel. So click anyway, then data, get data from file and here select from PDF. Select your PDF. Here you can see the preview. Select which one you want to get in your Excel worksheet. If you want to select all, so click here and select this all one by one. There are 12 tables. Then click on transform data. Now here click on close and load. And click on convert to range. So this is the way guys you can convert PDF to Excel. You can copy table from PDF to Excel. Thanks for watching.